Hi guys! I'm Priya. Hi guys, I'm Priya. Welcome back to my channel. So for all of you who have no clue about what product empties is, so basically I'll be talking about all the products that I love and I've literally completed using them, and I'll definitely repurchase them. I'll be talking about all those products. So I've even included few products which I like almost done, because I know that definitely I'll repurchase them again. So I've included them as well. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. Let's go. So the first product I'll be showing you is like my favorite product. It's like my invisible sixth finger. That's how much I need it all the time. I have one in my office bag, one in my sling bag, one at my place, like literally everywhere. So yeah, that's how much I need it, and it is the Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm. I've tried quite a few lip balms, but I keep going back to this. This is like my life savior. I literally can't live without it. So other than this, I've recently tried a lip balm by Oriflame. I don't have the dabba right now. I don't have this thing, what do you call it, whatever, this roll-on thing right now. I'll try getting a picture and putting it on screen somewhere here or here. And I was literally surprised to see that I like the lip balm other than Baby Lips. So yeah, this is the lip balm, and it smells like heaven, you guys, and it moisturizes your lips crazily, and it smells like heaven. And now, moving on. So the next product, it's the Maybelline's Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 643 Cosmopolitan Red. It is a super beautiful red colored lipstick, guys, and it's like super affordable. As you can see, it's done, and literally I've repurchased it thrice. And this is the third dabba that is done.
Why do I keep calling it dabba?
Third lipstick which is done, and I'm using the fourth one right now, literally fourth one. Yeah, I'm not a person who gets the same lipstick again and again, but this is magic, guys. Please make sure you try it. It's in the shade 643 Cosmopolitan Red from the Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection. So moving on, product number 3. Actually products, I'm gonna include 2 of them in this section. So story time. So 6 to 7 months back, all of a sudden I started having this skin allergy. I don't know why. I started getting these irritating rashes, and I literally couldn't find the reason. I tried avoiding this food, that food, like I tried everything. And then I went to a drugstore to get a basic sunscreen, and the auntie there and the worker suggested me this. It's the Avene, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. It's the Avene basically sunscreen. It has SPF 30. Okay, and this, along with the combination of this, it's the Avene Thermal Spring Water. So basically what she told me was this was super dermatologically tested and it won't harm your skin, ma'am. Please do give it a try. And I was like super terrified to give it a try, because already I was having skin allergy, but I was like, okay, let's give it a try, because I went through Nykaa, Amazon and all, and the reviews were like crazy. And finally I purchased them. They are a little bit on the pricier side. It's like 40-50 bucks, I think. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but trust me, guys, after I got it, I was like, it was worth my money. Literally, it was worth my money. My skin allergy has gone, literally gone. This worked wonders on my skin, guys. This, you can even use this one, the Thermal Spring Water. You can use it as a makeup setter as well, before makeup and after makeup, after the lockdown. These are the products which I'll be ordering for sure. And if you have a skin type which is a bit towards the oily side or combination skin type, this will work wonders on your skin, guys, because even I have combination skin. I used to not apply sunscreen, but this is not at all oily, not at all sticky. It just blends into your skin like water. It works amazing. And putting it out there, this is not a paid promotion, this is not a brand collaboration. I just love all these products, so I'm just showing it to you. It's not a paid promotion. So if you're looking out for products which are like dermatologically tested, which will work wonders on your skin, which is not sticky, please give it a try. It's worth the money. So the next product is a moisturizer. It is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Moisturizer. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer which is not too heavy on your skin and does the work as well, you can go and get this, guys. This was recommended by Malvika Sitlani, so if you're watching this, I love you. So this is my second box and I'm done with it as well. To be honest, I'm done with all my products, guys. This lockdown, I can't even order them. Get it, guys. It's a very good moisturizer. It does its job, and for the price, I think it's very good. Next product I'm showing you is not completely empty, but I've completed, like, I can't even count with my fingers those many bottles of this face wash. It's the Himalaya Neem face wash. Like, literally since my childhood, this is the only face wash I've been using. I've tried a lot of different face washes, but nothing works for me except this one. Like, it's my favorite face wash. I keep going back to it all the time. I can't literally do without this. And this is also almost done. All my products are done. It's super affordable. It does its job perfectly. And if you have an acne prone skin, this works wonders on your skin because it obviously has neem. So do try. I mean, I'm pretty sure you must have tried this face wash. If you haven't tried this, what are you waiting for? Go and try this out right now. So the next product is a facial mist. The Beauty Co had their anniversary sale or something, and they had this combo set of 4 facial mists, and I was like, fine, let's try it. I ordered it, and 1, 2 are done. The third one is like almost ending May, as you can see. I'm done with the rose one, tea tree one, cucumber one is also almost done. There's only aloe vera one left, and these facial mists are amazing, guys, especially the tea tree one. If you have an acne prone skin, I use, like, there's nothing now, but I used to use this every day at night, and it did help my skin with acne. And the rose water one, I used to use it every day in the morning because it soothes your skin. Stop the noise! It smooths your skin and gives that moisturization. Okay. So basically these are the next products which I'm done with, and I would love if Beauty Co would like to promote or send me any products. I would love it. Just putting it out there. So the next product is also a Beauty Co product. It's their coffee scrub, body coffee scrub. I initially ordered a strawberry one. That is done, and my mom threw it away. The packet is not there. This is the mango one. This is done, like, literally ittusa is left. This much is left, so I put it in the video as well. This also works amazing, guys. Whenever I scrub my body with their coffee scrub, it's like super smooth because I think it has almond oil or some oil. I don't know why it's like super smooth whenever I scrub my body with this. Give it a try if you haven't already. It works amazing. It's the Beauty Co's coffee scrub. To be honest, I don't like the mango one that much, but I love the strawberry one because I don't have that package. I'm showing you the mango one. I would recommend you getting the strawberry one rather than the mango one. So the next product is a makeup product. It's this concealer by, wait, which side am I showing? Yeah, it's this concealer by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer. You can see the halat of this and get to know how much I've used this. So this was my first ever concealer, and till that point of time I had no clue how to use a concealer and stuff, but this changed my life. Literally, it was I'm talking as if this is a dead person. It is an amazing concealer, guys. If you are a beginner or you can't spend too much on makeup, then go for this product. It will work amazingly for your under eyes. I'm literally done with it. I can't even show you how it looks. So yeah. So the last and final product, guys, what should be the number? It could be 9 or 10, I think. I don't know. So it's this powder. It's called as Candid powder, and I recommend everyone, each one of you, to get this powder. It's like a skin irritation anti-fungal powder. You can use it even in your vajayjay areas because you might get infection during that time of the month and stuff. This works wonders, guys. Like, I've been using this since childhood as well, and any irritation, like even though you get scratches or hurt or anything, this works amazing. So I recommend each and every one of you to go out there and get this product. It's the Candid powder, Candid dusting powder. And I've even seen in like few of the high-end salons, they don't use the baby powder or stuff for waxing. They use this powder because it's like skin friendly, it's dermatologically tested. So please go and get this right now. it will work wonders. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm putting it out there again. None of this is this is not a brand collaboration. All of these products are bought by my own money. I mean my parents' money. I got them, I used them, I loved it, so I'm showing it to you. It's not a brand, it's not a promotion or stuff. So if there's one product which I would recommend you to get, it would be definitely this. I would definitely recommend you getting this. So let me know in the comment section below if you're getting any of these products or you have already tried any of these products. Let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe, hit the bell notification, give this video a big fat thumbs up, all those good stuff. Do follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.